credit card is best to pay off first. I always tell people to pay the credit card with the highest interest rate. Now, if you guys have major debt, maybe you want to look into Dave Ramsey's system, because he do something called the debt snowball, where you guys will pay off your smallest debt. And as you pay off your smallest debt, as soon as that's paid off, you're going to take whatever you was paying towards your smallest debt, and you're going to add that to your next smallest debt, and then you're going to keep doing that same thing. When you pay that one off, all the money you was taking for your first one and your second debt that you were paying off, both of those, you'll put all that into the third, and so on until you're going to use all the money you were technically paying to pay off your last debt, and then you're going to be completely out of debt. Now, that's one way you can look at it. Now, if you guys are just trying to pay off debt to raise your credit score, that is a different answer. So if you guys are trying to pay off debt to raise your credit score, then you guys are going to want to look at the date that is going to report to the credit bureaus. So say if today is the 4th, right? So today is the 4th. You guys may have a lot of credit cards out there, one on the 18th, another one on 20th, other one on the 22nd. We will want to make sure we pay the one that's soonest to us. So that will be on the 18th. We'll want to pay whatever credit card that is on the 18th. Then we want to pay the next credit card on the 20th. And then we'll want to pay the next credit card on the 22nd. Now, this where it can kind of get tricky. If you guys, say if your credit card is due in 2 days, some people will just say, oh, I can't pay anything on that credit card. What I try to tell people to do, and it's not always good to do it, you guys, but what I tell people to do is take all of your money that you have and pay off that credit card.